we have started combinational circuits. In our last video, we have done half adder and full adder. So today we'll start carry ripple adder. Carry ripple adder can be for 2 bits, 3 bits, 4 bits, 5 bits, 9 bits, 12 bits, 15, 14, any number of bits. So let us take n bit. Okay. So n bit carry ripple adder we'll see. An n bit adder is used to add two n bit binary numbers or binary values. Okay, so two numbers we can add, and for n bit carry ripple adder means we are adding two n bit binary values. Okay, so an n bit carry ripple adder is designed by it is designed by connecting an n number of full adders. Okay, and each full adder represents a position of bit position. Okay, and each carry out from a full adder is connected to the carry in of the next position adder, like the next higher order bit. Okay, it is connected to the C in, carry in. So one carry out a particular position ka will take full adder ka carry out. That is connected, the carry out from one full adder is connected to the next higher bit ke carry in. Okay, so it is connected to the carry in of the next higher bit or next bit position, next order bit. Okay, higher order bit से वो connected रहेगा, तो that will act, the C out for the particular full adder will act as the C in for the next higher order bit. Okay, so the output of a full adder at any position, so we'll take ith position. So xi si, that is sum at the, there will be two output, one is sum and one is carry out. Okay, so si is sum at ith position, any position we can take. So ith position xi XOR yi XOR ci. Okay, ci is the input, I input जो भी है carry input जो आ रहा है carry in, that is here. And now तो ci जो next C out होगा, because why we have taken Ci and Ci plus 1, because if carry is, this is C out for this ith position के लिए. Okay, so this will act as C in. Okay, C in which position, I के बाद वाला position. So why we have taken Ci plus 1, because carry in हमारे पास given है, जो कि carry in that is coming from the lower order bit, and we have to find out there will be two output Si, this is ith position. Okay, so ith position पे Si, this is input Ci that is coming from lower order bit. Okay, so Xi, Yi, Ci, these all are input, and output will be Si and Ci plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because this will act as the input at next higher level. मतलब Ci plus 1 के लिए it will act as input. Okay, similarly ये level पे क्या होगा, I minus 1 होगा ना, this is I minus 1. So यहाँ पे जो C आ रहा है, C in होगा वो I minus 1 होगा, S होगा I. Okay, sorry, I minus 1. Okay, so at this level C I minus 1 वो I minus 1th level से आ रहा है. Okay, okay, so this is x I minus 1, all are I minus 1, and the output will be the next output क्या होगा, Ci होगा, Ci. Why? Because this will act as the input for the next higher level. Okay, so next higher level x I y I Ci. So we have taken these things, and there will be two output, Si we have to find out, and Ci plus 1. Why? Because this will act at the next level के लिए, next higher level bit के लिए, next higher order bit के लिए, this will act as C in, input bit. Okay, now we'll see, when we'll see the diagram, then it will be more clear. To understand better, to understand n bit carry ripple adder better, we have taken one example of 4 bit. Okay, n is equal to 4. So we have taken an example 4 bit carry ripple adder. तो वो होता कैसा है, 4 bit मतलब any number, 4 bit binary values का मतलब क्या होता है, any binary number, जैसे 4 digit, हम decimal numbers में 4 digit लेते हैं ना, like 4926. Okay, this is a 4 digit number. Similarly in binary, when we are taking 4 bits ना, उसको हम 4 bit binary values बोलते हैं, like x एक नंबर है 4 बिट हमने लिया है, सो 4 बिट बाइनरी वैल्यू, एक बाइनरी नंबर है, जैसे कि ये कुछ भी हो सकता है 1011 या फिर 1101 या फिर 001001, एनी 4 बिट नंबर. ओके, सो x is a 4 bit number binary value and y is also an n bit 4 bit binary values. So अगर हमने लिया 1101, okay, in this case अगर x is equal to this value है, so just try and understand. I'm just explaining what is x3, what is y3. Okay, so if x is a number, a binary value of 4 bit binary number, so this is 1 मतलब this is x0, x1, x2 and x3. ठीक है, so whatever we have written like x0, x1, x2, x3, तो वो ये values है, 1 है, इसका value 1 ऐसे. So similarly, if y is a 4-digit number, 4 bit binary values, so in that case there will be 4 numbers, 4 binary numbers. It consists of 4 binary numbers. Okay, so binary single bit value जो है, so see 4 bit value means any binary number, 4 digit number. जैसे हम डेसिमल में 4 digit number लेते हैं, वैसे बाइनरी में 4 bit binary values means 4 digit binary number. Okay, okay, so x is x3, x2, x1, x0 and y is y3, y2, y1, y0. So sum will be s3, s2, s1, s0. Okay, so in this case ये होता कैसा है, 4 bit adder, रिपल, कैरी रिपल एडर. ओके, तो वो होता कैसे है, वी आर गिविंग, देयर विल बी 3 इनपुट्स ना, सो 1 इनपुट इज दिस वन, x3 वाला 4 डिजिट एक नंबर है, एंड दिस इज 4 डिजिट बाइनरी वैल्यू, एंड दिस इज 4 बिट, दिस इज 4 बिट बाइनरी वैल्यू, दिस इज ऑल्सो 4 बिट बाइनरी वैल्यू, x, y and c0. okay, c0. so this is what input values, these are input values and this is also input. Okay, now there will be 3 input and 2 outputs, so 2 outputs are c4 and this one. Why c4? Why we have taken c4? Because this is a 4 bit number, तो 0 से we have started ना, तो c3 तक तो इसमें ही रहेगा, and c4 I'll explain in detail कैसे होता है. So s जो हमें result आएगा, there will be 2 output, c out and s, that is sum. तो sum will be also 4 bit number, s0, s1, s2, s3. ये होता कैसा है, see, there will be full adder, 4 full adder. One is here 3 inputs, this is c0 and यहाँ पे क्या होगा, this is y0, we have taken y0, x0. ठीक है, and हमारा output क्या आ रहा है, s0. okay, and इधर से output क्या आएगा, this will be c1 because c0 we have given, this was input c0, y0 and x0. okay, 3 inputs and 2 outputs, s0 and c1. okay, this is carry in, this is carry out. Now this will act as carry in this case. okay, so there will be y1, x1. okay, x1, y1 and c1 will act as this will be the 3 input for this second full adder के लिए, and output s1. okay, and again one more output, c carry out होता है ना, तो this will be c2. okay, so next bit के लिए it will act as c in, so this will be x2, y2 and c2. x2, y2, c2, 3 inputs and 2 outputs, that is s2, and क्या output आएगा, c out will be c3. now c3 will act as carry in for this fourth one. okay, and this will be x3, y3 and s3 output होगा and c4 होगा output. okay, so what we are getting, so ये जो पूरी चीज है ना, this whole part we have taken once here, this is 4 bit carry adder. तो basically वो होता अंदर में यही है, we are giving c0, x0 से लेकर x3 तक, y0 से लेकर y3 तक, and what we are getting, s0 से s3 तक, this is a 4 bit number, and c4 we are getting. okay, so there will be 2 output. Similarly, so what is this, this is a bit, this is lowest bit in this case, lowest bit. In this case, what is the c out, c out will connected to the c in of the next higher bit. so this is lowest bit, is a ये next higher bit है, So इस next higher bit पे this C out of the lower bit will act as the C in for this bit, next higher order bit. Okay, and in next this higher bit, and the output C out will be C2, and this will act as a C in for the next higher bit, that is this one. Okay, and इस case में जो C3 we are getting, this is the output for this one, C out, carry out for this one, and this will act as a C in, carry in for the next higher bit. Okay, the highest bit. Okay, so this is the this is basically a 4-bit carry ripple adder. Okay, so 4-bit carry ripple adder is, कैसे हम बनाते हैं, how to design it? It will be designed by using 4 full adder, and it will connect by connecting in series. Okay, by using this concept we can also design higher, larger adder. If you have a question, see, if you have a question 16-bit adder, you have to design a 16-bit adder by using 4-bit adders. Okay, so उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, first of all 4 adders बनाने हैं 4-bit. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, okay, first of all we'll connect all these. Okay, 4 adders. Now 4-bit adders, 4-bit adders हैं. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, x3, x2, x0, x1. Sorry, x1 and x0. So what we have to take, हमें लेना क्या है? We have to take x का x will be equal to x15 से लेकर x0 तक. So f15 से लेकर x0 तक, and y will be equal to y15 से लेकर y0 तक. Right? So ये तो हुआ x. Now we'll take 4y, y3, y2, y1, y0. Okay, and C in, ये क्या होगा, C0. Okay, we'll take C0, and there will be 4 output, S3, S2, S1, S0. Okay, and यहाँ पे output क्या होगा, C out will be C4. ठीक है, now C4 will act as the input. This is full adder. Okay, full adder. This is also full adder. Okay, we have taken full adder, 4 full adder, 4-bit full adder. Okay, these all are 4-bit full adder. So we have taken 4-bit full adder. So to design 16-bit adder. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is for x and this is for y. So x3 तक हुआ है हमारा, तो x7, x6, x5, x4. So y7 से लेकर y4 तक. Okay, similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be, क्या कहाँ तक हम लेंगे, 12. तो x11 to x8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. So y11 से लेकर y8 तक. ठीक है, so similar 1, 2, 3, 4, again 4-bit we have to take here. x15 से लेकर x9 तक. Right, sorry, x12 तक. x15 से लेकर x12, y15 से लेकर y12. Okay, now see, यहाँ पे we are getting क्या output we are getting S7 से लेकर S4 तक. This will be output, and output C out क्या होगा, C8. Okay, because 4-bit first 4-bit के बाद 5th bit, that is C4. Again 4-bit C4, C5, C6, C7, and the output will be C out will be C8. Again C9, C8 के बाद C8 we have taken here. So C8, C9, C10, C11, and the output will be C12. Now C12, 13, 14, 15, output will be C16. Okay, now 4 output for S11 से लेकर S8 तक. Now again 4, S 15 से लेकर S12 तक. Okay, so this is a design of 16-bit adder and we have used 4-bit adders. Okay, हमने 4 लिया number. How many numbers of 4-bit adder? Only 4 because 4 4s are 16. So 4 bit यहाँ पे लिया, 4 bit here, 4 bit here, 4 bit here, तो it is 16 bit. So ये total complete जो है ना, this will act as a 16-bit adder. Okay, 16-bit adder by using 4-bit adders. Got it?
Hope you understood the concept.
For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.